Hi, I'm Daniel Glover.
And I'm Toya Glover, and we just want to talk to y'all about the AALC workshops. You know, I always get excited about the workshops. I remember the AALC workshop where Tonya Poe talked about being a district leader and sitting in the back of the room, and she couldn't get nobody to the meetings. And I always get excited about that because I looked at Daniel and I was like, babe, that's us. We couldn't get nobody here, so I knew that we were basically on the right track and that we would get, the next time that we came to the meeting, we actually bought a busload of people, a charter bus, and that bus was full to capacity. So that's how we took that and went home and changed our business. What about you?
Man, I can remember, man, the men's locker room that we had, man. First of all, it was just tons of African Americans in one room, and we was all just geared up and excited about growing our business and growing as people. And I never forget, man, Chris H. Young was up there and he was talking, and he had everybody to stand up if you made 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. And as he got to the higher numbers, it was less people standing up. And then he got people also to stand up if you was working 5 hours in your business, 6 hours a day, 8 hours a day, 12 hours a day, 16 hours a day in your business. And it didn't have that many people that was working that many hours in their business. He was saying, if you're not where you want to be, why aren't you working more? And that stood out to me and knew that I had to go home. We had to work a whole lot more so that we can hit our goals.
We just get excited about the AALC, and we hope to see you there.